Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the active steering fuses and relays are located. By the way, you have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist, and they're extremely hidden. We'll talk about that, where you can find them, where you can find these fuses and relays, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, for the active steering now, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on this BMW X3, X4 right here. Now guys, X3, X4, they're built on the same platform, practically it's almost the same vehicle, so it should work for both. Today we'll work in multiple fuse boxes. The first one that we need to check is on the passenger side. Open the door on the passenger side, open the glove box, remove everything out of your glove box. In the back on the right side you have that cover, you need to press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad, and let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys, you practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, here multiple fuses will need to be checked. Please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about the relays as well. Here the first fuse that you need to check is known as fuse, okay, let's zoom in a little bit towards the bottom, fuse number 8 right here. Then you count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, fuse number 13. So 8 and 13 will need to be checked. Next, you need to check fuse number 33 guys. So that's 35, 34, 33 right here. Check this one out. After that, we need to check fuse number 24. So 24 will be, that's 23, 24, that 10 fuse here. You need to guys check fuse number 39. So that's 36, 7, 8, 9. You may or may not have this one depending on which option package you have guys. 43 will need to be checked right here. And next you need to check fuse number 45, 43, 45 hours. We don't have that fuse as well. You may not have all of them, that's perfectly fine. And then we need to guys check fuse number 60, that 5 amp fuse. Now, if you have problems with power steering, active steering, open your trunk. Now here, if you lift that cover and remove the tray underneath it, you have the car battery. On the car battery here, you have, if you open that thing, you have hidden fuses as well. All this needs to be tested. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fuses that need to be tested as well. Another thing that you may need to check, guys, is actually in the front. On the passenger side, if you remove that cover here towards the windshield, okay, you have a fuse box. That's what it looks like. Go ahead, test that one. Next, on the driver's side, you have the same cover, and underneath is the brake fluid reservoir. If you remove it, you see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it, you have one cover, white cover. Pull that clip, and behind it, you have that fuse box here. Let me show you what it looks like if you remove it. That's supposed to be non-serviceable, but actually we've opened and replaced fuses in the past where we have a video how to do that. Here you have very important fuses that there is very limited information. Usually they're for power steering, guys, and also for engine management too. So these things will need to be checked. Relays. You have very limited amount of relays in that car, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 relays at the most. Mostly everything is controlled by engine computer, body control modules, other modules as well, so they do the relay function. So these fuses are known as relay fuses, so those are the ones that you will guys need to check. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.